Pasyal tayo guys. Let's go. Samahan niyo po ako. Come on.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild, never sleep, never stop.
Hey guys! And andito na po tayo sa Mary Grace after a long walk, and this is it. Naglakad, nagutom, and kakain tayo guys. Let's go. And then this is just a merienda or a snack with, of course, the top seller nila is yung top seller ensaymada. Ang sarap, sobrang soft, and hindi siya katulad ng iba na matigas. Super soft, and then a lot of cheese on top. And of course, konti lang po yung sugar na in-sprinkle. And of course, their hot chocolate or the hot choco or the hot tabliya. Yan sa Bisaya guys. Grabe talaga yung texture. Grabe. Hindi tinipid sa cocoa. Hindi siya tinipid as in. Kaya if you visit Mary Grace guys and mag-order po kayo ng choco, nako. And this is the proof guys. Ito po yung proof na ayan hindi siya tinipid sa cocoa. Ayan. Diba? Pure cocoa po yan guys. So, habang i-explore tayo and while roaming around, syempre dadaan po tayo dito sa parang mini forest nila. Hindi, sa park po yan. Park po yan ng mall. Ayan guys. The good thing about this is kahit po mainit masyado, and they have this like you're in the mall but then the feeling of you're in the forest as well. Ang ganda. Nakaka-relax siya. Parang nasa bundok ka but then you're in the mall. If you are familiar with Festival Mall guys, this is it. Yan po yung view outside the mall. Correction po. Outside the mall, there's like a park, like mini forest park theme. Ayan, while walking, natuwa po ako dito sa naked floor or see-through floor. Ayan guys. So, diba? Ayan. Diba? Walk like a pro. Joke lang. And ito na nga. While nagpapababa po tayo ng kinain natin, kala mo maraming kinain. Eh, ganun talaga guys. Window siya. What? Guys. Ayan. Thank you po sa aking kasama. Thank you for the treat. Thank you for the day. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Ayaw po yan magpabanggit ng pangalan. Ayan. Thank you so much. And ayan. Pili po tayo dyan. May sale po yata yun sila. Wala po yata siyang natipuhan dyan. She doesn't like the display and all. Kasi dito po siya lagi na release some of her clothes. So, ayan guys. Ikot-ikot muna tayo guys. Ayan. By the way guys, andito po kami pala sa H&M. So ayan, ano lang kami. Window shop lang po kami. May hinahanap din po yung kasama ko. But then, she doesn't like the display and the design. So, kaya yan. Pasyal-pasyal pa po kami sa other stores as well. Ayan. Yan, if you're out of your comfort zone, guys, it feels like you're happy. And yes, for the meantime lang naman po yan. And pag uwi mo ng bahay, here we go again. Struggling again. And then naman po yung anxiety mo. But then it helps a lot. It helps a lot when you're outside. Right, guys? Comment down below if I am so wrong with my thing. And ito na nga guys, after a long walk, after window shop and all. So, kakain po tayo ulit. And while waiting for the food guys, ayan, waiting. Sa wakas, at last, ayan po, ano lang naman, light lang po naman. Cheat day for today. It's just a burger and fries and a drink. And that's it before I go. Kain muna po. Ayan. Yes, kain tayo guys. Sa Wendy's po yun, a burger. Ayan. A burger, a fries, and a drink. That's it. Kain po. And that's it, guys. After eating, going home time. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for the treat. Thank you po. Salamat po. I have a great time po. Salamat. See you around. Mwah!
Taking us high. Feel the rhythm. Yeah, it's gonna make us fly. Can you hear the swing? Can you feel the pop? Let's get the party started. Yeah, don't you stop.
Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Evan Alira here is signing off.